Hey guys, so I'm going to change the battery on my 2016 Toyota 4Runner Trail today. I'm going to use a 10mm wrench, flathead screwdriver to pry the terminal loose, magnetic bowl to keep my old screws, some grease in these little washers, the new battery, and a toothbrush just to clean the terminals out from the old corroding battery. So 3 things I considered when purchasing my battery: price, cold cranking amps, and reserve capacity. Cold cranking amps is the amount of power that your battery is able to output at 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Reserve capacity is how long your battery can stay alive if you leave your lights on, for example. I got a battery with 700 cold cranking amps and 130-minute reserve capacity. I just don't need it because, again, 0 degree or below temperatures delivers enough power for my car to start, and I'm not going to be in those conditions, 90% of the time. The battery size on this 4Runner is a 24F, I think the stock size. So you remove this bracket after taking these bolts out. Go ahead and take the positive terminal off. Alright, negative terminal. I'm knocking the camera over. I'm just going to throw this washer above this terminal, green cover over there. Okay, and then I'm just going to apply some grease onto the terminal there. Okay, now I'm going to connect the positive terminal. I'm going to tighten that up. Okay. I'm going to connect the negative terminal. Same thing, just tighten it up. Put the cap back on. Okay, we're going to throw our bracket back on. So that's it. I put the cover back on the positive terminal. I put this bracket back on, and everything's all tight and good and in place. So that is the new battery.